Do you use the OR operator into your queries in Parse? Hi, I'm Alex the Architect from Backfrap, and this is Talking to the Architect, and today we'll be answering Icarus' question. Icarus asked, I don't see how to make a query with the OR operator. Can you show, please? Hi Icarus, thank you so much for your question, and it's really easy to do. The OR operator is built into Parse, and you have to make multiple queries that you want to join by the OR operator. And to illustrate that, here I am at my S&P 500 app where I have the stock class, and I'm going to look for the property named ticker for the tickers containing ZTS or WRK. So I'm going to go to my Cloud Code section and start typing some Cloud Code function that will return those values by using the OR operator. We'll start by typing parse.cloud.define, and I'm going to call my function getStocks. This will take a async request that I will arrow function to my code. Now we're going to create two queries, one for each ticker, and then we're going to use the OR operator to combine all those into just one. So let's start by typing const. Then let's see the ticker I want. So let's say ZTS. ZTS equals new parse.query, and it will query in the stocks class. Is it stocks? No, stock. And let's also create another query called const WRK equals new parse.query, and this will also be run into the stock class. Now for the first class, I'm going to use equal to and then look for the ticker that I want. So zts.equal to, and my property name is ticker, and the value that I want is ZTS. For my second query, we'll do exactly the same, but using WRK. So WRK.equals to ticker, and then WRK. Now I have the two queries, but I have to group those into just one query that contains ZTS or WRK. We'll do that by creating yet another query. So const main query equals parse dot query dot or, and then we're going to pass in my ZTS query, comma, and then my WRK query, and you can put as many as you want into this. And finally we can look for this results and return. So return await main query dot find, and this should be enough. So let's deploy this code. Copy the function name, go to API console, open the REST console, change the method of request to post, and call it functions slash and my function name. And now if I just run this, you see that I have WRK or ZTS returned. This also works for other operators, so all you have to do is to add as many queries as you need in order to fit all your needs. So if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I'll also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.